Introducing our touch-free sensor can with voice and motion control. The cleaner, easier way to throw your trash away. We haven't figured out how to make our can change itself yet, but our liner pocket does make it easier. 20 custom-fit liners right at your disposal. Of course, you could just use any typical brand liner, but ours are stronger, neater, and thanks to the liner rim, they'll hold snug without slipping, while completely hiding from sight. Our liner rim also eliminates the need for an inner bucket. What's so great about that, you ask? 25% more room for trash, of course. And although our liners prevent leaks, the smooth inner surface of the can is designed for quick, easy cleaning. But what about germs? Trash cans are smudged and covered in germs, right? Right, but not ours. Our nano silver clear coating prevents fingerprints and protects against the spreading of germs. Oxymoron as it may be, it's a clean trash can. The touch-free voice and motion sensor can. The cleaner, easier way to throw your trash away.
Alexa, ask Delta to turn on water.
Okay.
Tap into the newest thing in water. Voice-controlled faucet technology from Delta Faucet. Now ready to pair with your Amazon Echo. Convenient, hands-free operation means a new level of freedom in your home every day.
Alexa, ask Delta to pour 12 ounces.
Okay, dispensing 12 ounces.
Alexa, ask Delta to fill coffee pot.
Okay, filling coffee pot.
Alexa, ask Delta to warm up the water.
Warming water. Please make sure faucet handle is set to hot.
Water will never be the same. Voice-activated water technology from Delta Faucet.
Hey everyone, Matthew Barbie here with Perfect Company. Just wanted to take a quick moment to show you just how easy it is to get started and how to connect your phone or tablet to your scale. So whether you're using Perfect Drink, Perfect Bake, or Perfect Blend, the connection process is always the same. So when you open the box, you'll have your scale. First thing you want to do is put batteries in. So flip your scale over, remove the battery cover, and insert 3 AA batteries into the scale. Then just replace the battery cover, and you're all set to go. The next thing you'll want to do is download the app. So just go to the App Store. Then in the search bar, type in Perfect Drink. You'll see the Perfect Drink interactive recipe app comes up. Select that. And then when you find Perfect Drink, just download the app into your device. And then the icon will appear on your tablet or smartphone. Now it's time to get started. So first thing you want to do is connect your app to your scale. So launch the app, and it'll ask you a few questions. So yes, I have a scale. Yes, I have a wireless Bluetooth scale. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. To do that, all you have to do is go back to your home screen, go to your settings app, select the Bluetooth option, and then turn on the Bluetooth. You'll know the Bluetooth is on by the little icon in the upper right-hand corner. Now you can go back to your home screen and back to the Perfect Drink app. Now you'll be asked to turn the scale on. And once the scale is on, it should connect right away. So allow Perfect Drink to have access to your microphone, then hit next and you're ready to go. So you want to enter in your age to make sure that you're of legal drinking age. Very important here. So your first time through the app will be a quick little onboarding tutorial of where a few things are, like your scale connection status, not connected versus connected. Hit next, and this will show you where to change your recipe categories, and then also where to get more recipes. Then just hit don't show again. So you see that our scale is connected right now, but I can hit this button and that will disconnect the scale. And then I can also reconnect the scale here. Little check mark, see that we're good, we're all set. So here you are at the recipe library screen, plenty of recipes at your disposal right out of the box. So I think that we'll make a dark and stormy today. So I search for dark, and here it is, right there. So I'll hit build. Now the last very important process is to calibrate the scale. So make sure you've removed everything from the scale, nothing at all on it, and hit OK. This tells the scale what true zero is. Now you're ready to go. So I just start by following the prep steps, put my glass with ice on the scale, and all I do is pour. A little dark rum. It auto advances to the next ingredient, a little lime juice. And last but not least, the tasty ginger beer. And now Perfect Drink will prompt me to stir my beverage. You can also use the buttons on the scale to navigate through the app. And then it tells me what to garnish, a little lime wedge, up, and here we are finished. Time to enjoy my dark and stormy. Fantastic. Now you're all set to start enjoying Perfect Drink, Perfect Bake, and Perfect Blend. If you have any questions, make sure to visit us at makeitperfectly.com and have a perfect day.
Everyone wants to be smart with their nutrition. But what if there was a smarter way to help you reach your health goals? Introducing the world's first smart nutrient extractor, NutriBullet Balance. Balance isn't smart just to be smart. It's smart to help you transform your health faster and easier. It connects to an app on your smart device. When you're making a smoothie, the smart sensor sends nutritional information in real time for every ingredient. So you can see the calories, fat, carbs, protein, and more that go into every smoothie. Hey, walnuts are great, but be careful. The fat and calories can add up fast. The app also features hundreds of customized recipes, and you can sort them according to your wellness goals. So if you're diabetic, low sugar paleo, or just want more daily energy, you'll only get recipes that match your particular needs. Balance is simple to use, and it can save time and money by keeping track of the ingredients you have on hand. It can even create a shopping list for ingredients you need to pick up at the market. So why is all of this a big deal? Because it can make a real difference in your life. Studies have shown that substituting one meal a day for a healthy smoothie can lead to real health benefits, and there's nothing smarter than that. NutriBullet Balance. It's not just about smart technology. It's about what smarter technology can do for you.
Alexa, 10 minutes on the microwave.
Looks like he's up and ready to go.
microwave again. Alexa, reheat 1 cup of coffee.
For how long?
30 seconds.
Every great chef knows that the secret to success is having a reliable partner in the kitchen. Meet your sous chef, the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer, a feature-packed cooking thermometer that lets you know when your food is ready on your mobile device. Designed with your kitchen in mind, the sophisticated aesthetics are paired with features for the modern chef, aimed at making it simple to create culinary masterpieces for all occasions. Setup couldn't be easier. As soon as you turn it on, Kitchen Thermometer will automatically connect to the iDevices connected app and display the real-time temperature of your cook. With dual probes, you can monitor 2 separate temperature zones at the same time, whether you're cooking a larger roast or 2 different pieces of meat. Select a recommended temperature preset. Once your food is in the oven, the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer takes over, allowing you to focus on more important things. So, go ahead and relax. The app will let you know when your food is ready. The iDevices connected app connects your kitchen to the rest of the culinary world. Explore our community globe for inspiration or browse our exclusive recipes for something new to try. You can even share your latest culinary masterpiece on your favorite social network. With the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer, you can conquer cooking perfection and leave your family and guests speechless. Meet your sous chef, the iDevices Kitchen Thermometer.
What can you do with this tablespoon? With T-fal ActiFry, you can create healthy and delicious meals for your family using just 1 tablespoon of oil. ActiFry is perfect for preparing meat, seafood, stir-fry, vegetables, and many more dishes. You'll feel good knowing that you've used just 1 tablespoon of oil for the entire recipe, and that your family will enjoy every delicious bite. ActiFry is really easy. I just put in my fresh ingredients and 1 tablespoon of oil. Set the timer, and a delicious and nutritious meal is ready in no time. And ActiFry takes the mess of cooking and cleanup off my plate. It comes apart easily, and the pieces go straight into the dishwasher. I love my T-fal ActiFry. It makes cooking great meals fast, convenient, and fun for the whole family. That's great. Find ActiFry at your local retailer and visit us at tfalactifry.com for recipes, cooking tips, and more. T-fal, ideas you can't live without.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm really excited to try the Anova Precision Cooker. I haven't cooked sous vide before, but I can't wait to give it a shot. All right, we've got the wand, you've got the clamp, and we're ready to go. Before I get started, I had a couple questions, but thankfully I have Bill Clark from Anova here to answer them for me. So Bill, what is sous vide?
Great question. So sous vide, or precision cooking, has been around for decades. It's been used the world over by top chefs everywhere. All you need to do is, with the device, put it into your pot, you submerge your food into the pot itself, it circulates the water to a very precise temperature, and you always get the desired doneness you want.
What would make this better than, say, grilling?
I love that question, it's probably my favorite. Grilling is all over the map. You have hot spots, you have cold spots, and everything in between. With precision cooking, you don't have to worry about any of that. You set your device to whatever doneness you like. Medium rare steak, 129 degrees Fahrenheit. You set the device, you hit play, and when that comes out, it's going to be exactly 129 degrees all the way through. It'll be perfect.
The Anova Precision Cooker is easy to use. First, you fill a medium-sized pot with water. Then clamp the Anova Precision Cooker. Then you sync your cooker to your app, put your food in a plastic bag, then clamp the bag into the water when the water is at the set temperature.
So the cool thing about our device is that you can start a cook from the interface, or you can use our app. The app itself has time and temperature guides to create that perfect steak we were talking about, or you can use the hundreds of recipes that we have in the app to choose from. The device, the app itself, all you need to do is just press start once you've chosen a recipe, and the app will take care of the rest. So the best part is you never have to worry about overcooking your food. It's always going to be the exact same results every single time. You don't have to worry if you have, kids, if you have a life. you will still be able to come back and your food will be ready at the exact temperature you set it at. And then the other half is that you'll never waste food. It's always going to be the exact same results every single time.
All right, the moment of truth. Perfect medium rare, edge to edge, looks delicious. Let's give it a go. That's really good. That's better than being at a restaurant, and I did it myself. This was awesome.